Hey, what's going on, guys? So I was gonna do some more of our trade alerts from earlier January, but there is one that I have to update you guys on before I call it a day. That's gonna be SNDL, man. Pot stocks took a hard hit today, but we still were able to manage to capture 525% profit gains on merely holding the trade. Of course, we are currently down 300% from pre-market if you're still holding a position in this trade. A lot of people have a bullish outlook on this stock, and I don't blame them. Out of the three companies, actually, if you look at the fundamentals between TLRY, which I call TL Ray, or ACB, or Sandal actually has the better fundamental outlook on it. But anyways, I'm not going to hold it up too long. Before we get started, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also share with your other investors so we can have a daily discussion on these trades. Anyways, let's get into the trade. Alright, guys, looking at this chart, I can see how some people may be disappointed, and there's a big reason for that, and I'll go ahead and put that out on the table. Let's look at our intraday volume. Look at all that buying. Look at all that buying right here. Of course, they were buying the dip here. A lot of sell-off. Still some buying. Dollar down above this wave of buying power. But for us at Millennial Investments, we're good to go. We're still up 525% because we initially alerted on this stock on December 22nd when it was still at 52 cents. And if you need proof of that, you can also check the emails that we send out. You can also check our trading view, tradingview.com/Millennial Investments, which posts this trade. You can check our website if you're a member, probably on a Facebook post, everywhere, because this stock has been performing very well for us. And all hopes and wishes that it's performed for everybody else and they played it smart, didn't follow the mass movement phenomenon that everything is seeming to be taken over by, whether it's stocks that aren't worth the stock price they have, cryptos, whatever. Anyways, Sandal actually provided us with 138% profit gains. We notified users when it was around 600%, so we were already 200% down. We knew this was coming into the day after seeing it open, gap up the way it did. We knew it was going to gap down, and you can check our last video for how our analysis. If this broke below, I think it was 316, then this is where we were going to end up. You can actually see the video on our daily trade review playlist from this morning. We just released it. So anyways, back to the trade. Looking at this, we retraced all the way back down between the 23 and 38% price levels. That puts us about, 29% to the 30% levels. Found some support, strong support down there at the 220s. And it looks like we might be rebounding now that going into the after hours, we saw some selling volume start to fade away throughout the day. I would go into this looking into tomorrow to see if we see some strong price action in the pre-market, but let's not gap up the way we did. I mean, we got almost a complete dollar gap up right there just in pre-market today alone, and that can be a cause for concern in investments, because once we gap down to fill the gap, people start freaking out, man, and that's exactly what we're looking at today. And I hope not too many that follow our communities. We're not smart enough to not become bag holders in this situation, because that's, you're almost 50% down on a trade now. Anyways, we did establish some new levels of support, some key levels of resistance that we need to pay attention moving into the future. This blue line here I want to identify is currently the market close for yesterday. So disregard that. Matter of fact, this is what I'll do. I'll turn our levels of support green. I'll turn our second level of support resistance orange, and our top level red. All right, so what we're going to be doing tomorrow is trading, hopefully finding support to continue trading above this 219 price level, in between that 219 and 368 price range. A great time to buy calls if we do have some confirmation going into pre-market on the direction of the stock. I actually saw that Sundial had 1.6 billion in trades in pre-market alone. But anyways, let's see if we see the same type of price action going into tomorrow, moving upwards, of course. If we break below that 219, I would have to go back even further. I think we can do that here just so you have some insight on what to look for. I mean, would be right here at the 159, and then let's look at it from a 4-hour standpoint. That'll kind of help us. Oh yeah, so we're actually down here at 110. That's our next level of support, key level, mind you. Unless they decide to take this to the moon, as they call it. But anyways, I'm not gonna tread too long on this. I did want to stop and give everyone an update on it before I called it a day. What to look for in the morning. I think I gave you some key levels of to pay attention to with TL Ray, and you saw that TL Ray I think was down to it's $32 after hour, and it's currently 6:32 Central Time. So we still got 30 minutes, meaning a slaughterhouse can occur still. Be careful. Just stay smart. Don't follow the runs. That's one thing we focus on at Millennial Investments, is finding the runs before they occur. Anyways, not going to hang on it too long. We're still up 523% as of right now. If you're a Millennial investor at Millennial Investments and you followed this trade, congratulations. You're 5 times richer than you started yesterday. 8 times if you sold in pre-market based on our update, or 6 times, whatever. Anyways, to receive our notifications like this on trades like this before they bounce, be sure to register your free or premium membership at Millennial Investments. There is a home for everyone here. With our free memberships, you get 1 free daily trade alert. With our premium, it's unlimited everything. You get access to our trade tracker to track and log your trades, something that I don't see across many platforms. So you can go back and look at mistakes that you made and how the trade played towards or against you. It's good for research. We just released a due diligence database also that you can access and contribute to, as well as utilize yourself, but to share prudent information on why trades are moving and what to expect from them in the future. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us on either Facebook, Twitter, StockTwiz, Discord. Our links are in the description below. You can also come join Millennial Investments for free and discuss it with us directly at mymillennialinvestments.com/memberships in the description below. But otherwise, I think I'm going to probably shoot one more video after this one, so stay tuned. I'm still deciding. But I just wanted to give an update on Sundial, and if anybody had any questions on our outlook here at Millennial Investments and something that you can use going into tomorrow yourself. So other than that, I hope you have a great night. If I don't speak to you again, or talk to anyone by tomorrow, have a great night. Good luck trading tomorrow. Peace.